Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am the download driver Epson WorkForce Pro. This here the serial, and you type the driver download. Okay, please wait. I'm search the official website, and I'm like download the official website, and this official website not a virus, and driver first download. And I click here. This here the official website. Click here. It's wide loading the website. Okay, this here the this website. Scroll down, this here the title, driver, and software, and download driver or software your product, and you click button download. Please wait. Okay, this here the uh, printer, and this here the serial. This here the select the system operation. You click here, and this here the driver Android and driver Chrome OS and driver iOS, driver Linux and driver Mac OS. This here the driver Mac 12 and Mac 11. Okay, this here the driver Mac 12 and Mac 11, and this here the Windows 8 and Windows 11, Windows 7 driver and Windows 9 driver, Windows Server, Windows Vista, and the Windows SP driver. This video you need to download driver Windows 11, driver Epson Windows 11, driver Epson WorkForce Pro Windows 11, and click here. This why search the driver. Okay, this here the driver. This is the driver printing, driver print only. This here the driver print universal, and this here the sport the wireless, and this is uh, this is uh, post print driver. This is the version and release update and field site, and this is the same before. And I am need download here, and this is the driver print only, and driver print uh, for the wireless and not for click here button download, and this is the driver. This white finish driver. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you please write the finish driver download, and you click right as the driver support the uh for driver support for the printer. Okay. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download, comment below. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download, below description. Thank you for watching.